Hello, good afternoon, my dear friend. Today, uh, of course, it's time to take our period. And for your kind information, due to the problem of routine, actually, it was too much confusion over there, and that's because we're gonna delay, and the meeting is also happened today. So I would like to remember you, my dear friend. In this subject, health subject, we are reading the chapter. The chapter is family and community health. Family and community health. The page number 82, and this chapter is going to discuss today in our class. And before starting this class subject matter, I would like to configuration such types of consider such types of things that is too much important for your life, for your time. Okay, here is the about the superstitions and ignorance. uh, Superstitions means in Nepali अन्धविश्वास र अज्ञानता भनेको हो यसलाई है राम्रोसँग इग्नोरेन्स भनेको इग्नोर गरिदिनु छोडिदिनु भनेको अज्ञानता जस्तै ज्ञान छैन उसले अब छोडिदिन्छ इग्नोरेन्स भनेको त्यो हो है अन्धविश्वास र अज्ञानता यसलाई भन्छौँ है सुपरस्टिट्युसन्स एन्ड द इग्नोरेन्स भनेको छ है यसमा भनेको छ राम्रोसँग ध्यान दिनु होला है a large population of Nepali people is still deprived of education. Overall literacy rate of Nepal is only 67% according to the population of census 2011 AD. This is the correct information from the census of our government of our country Nepal. हाम्रो राष्ट्रिय जनगणना जसलाई भन्छौँ पपुलेसन कति हो भन्दाखेरि 2011 सालसम्म 2011 यो त हामी 2000 कतिमा छौँ हो हामी 2021मा आइसकेका छौँ एडी भनेको छ नि त होइन एडीमा 2011 मा कति थियो त 67% भनिरहेछ इट्स अ लार्ज पपुलेसन they all are under our in our country it is written over there here is the written over there. A large population of Nepali people is still deprived of education. Overall, literacy rates of Nepal is 67% according to the population census 2011 AD. 2011 AD. In this situation, the literature people are ignorant about the needs and importance of sanitation, hygiene, balanced diet, immunizations, and other many more health issues. They do not have a clear concept about the preventive, curative, and the rehabilitative aspect of health. They may identify the factors according to or affecting health due to the ignorance and the lack of education. These are the written things is given. Let me describe you, my dear friend. We all are the people of our own country, and that's because we know very well about the condition of our own located area. We are from the villagers. We are from the different villages, not from the cities level, and that's because it is known as the rural areas. These areas there is too much important needs are not fulfilled by the government, and that's because we are facing too much internal problems here in our community. So it has been written here more than 67% are here in our country as a whole. As a whole, 67% civilians of our own country they are educated. Sorry, they are educated for the census of 2011 AD. It is sure think more than 67%, 60%, 67% citizens are not under the good. It means they are not getting the education. They are not getting the education from the source of different school and the training center. That's because it is written here 67% according to the population census in this situation. As the still developed of education overall literacy rates of Nepalis. It means the 67% is literate. साक्षर हो जसलाई के त केही आउँछ 8 क्लास 10 क्लाससम्म पढेको विद्यार्थीहरू पनि हुन्छ हैन त्यो सबै विद्यार्थीहरू 2000 को 11 को जनगणनाको हिसाबले के भयो त यो सबै यतातिर एडुकेटेड छन् भन्ने भन्यो है In this situation, the literature people are ignorant about the needs and importance of the sanitation. यसमा भन्न खोजेको के हो भने अहिलेको अवस्थामा वास्तवमा हामी के गर्छौं त हामी पढे लेखेको व्यक्तिले पनि हरेक कुरालाई इग्नोर गर्छौं त्यस्तो कुरालाई माइन्ड गर्दैनौं जुन कुराहरू sanitation को आउँछ sanitation means the condition if we are going to utilize for the disposal of the wastage of our own human beings uh, uh, stool one it means the stool that we are going to going to depreciation outside. This is the bad habits or and some bad habits we are not caring to the other related activity that is too much important for us. We do not care. Okay, so here is written more than 67% of the is only 67% according to the population census of 2011. 2011 AD, it is sure that only the 67% people of our country they are educated and they all are doing too much carelessness about the sanitation, personal hygiene, balanced diet, immunization and the other balanced diet. Many more people health issues we have now these days. They do not have a clear concept about the preventive measure, preventive, curative and the rehabilitative aspects of the health. There is a little bit thing we need to discuss, my dear friend. Here is written rehabilitation center like rehabilitative aspects. It means those who actually it means those who are under the totally trap of the drugs, that type of related victims. We social people need to be alert and sent to the rehabilitation center where they will get treatment naturally and unwanted activity like using of drugs, that type of habits will be totally collapsed from over there because it is the center where it is totally prohibited, strictly prohibited. So it is written and the rehabilitative aspect of the health. They may not identify the factors affecting due to the ignorance and the lack of education. These are the things. Next one is the similarly conservative beliefs are also deep rooted in the Nepalese society. Yes, of course, conservative beliefs. हामी के गर्छौँ त ए प्लानोले बिरालोले बाटो काट्यो है बिरालोले बाटो काट्दाखेरि हामी चाहिँ के गर्छौँ बाटो काटेको हाम्रो अपसगुन मान्छौँ नराम्रो हो काट्नु हुँदैन भनेर मानवता हुन्छ त्यस्तै कसैले भनिदियो सर्पले टोक्ने बित्तिकै झारफुक गरेर मात्रै पनि ठिक हुन्छ दिज आर द conservative beliefs. Let me tell you, my dear friend, these are the conservative beliefs. It is not true. We educated people must filter the correct things because we all are educated. We have the ideas what is the bad or the good things. So it is the totally traditional beliefs, all the traditional beliefs. We educated people need to filter. If it is true, we're gonna follow. If it is not true, no need to follow because it is that type of thoughts are always false. Maybe I think it is written here. So another more point we need to discuss here. Despite the education, most of the people still believes in faith healers instead of the medical doctors and health personnel. It is clearly written here. Most of the people still believe in faith. If our grandmother, if our neighbor, if our close relationship, if our friend tell us, hey, this is not it's not a joke. We need to believe the traditional facts. So what is the responsibility from your side? Let me tell you, my dear friend. Of course, we people have to hear some sound from the other side also, but we have to consider in our mind it is true or not. Don't believe the traditional beliefs or the conservative beliefs from the other. We need to verify clearly, then we can believe. They so far believe that the sickness is caused by the supernatural power or due to the curse of the god and the evil spirit. It has been written here. भगवानले श्राप दियो भने अथवा भूतले भूत हुन्छ भन्ने कुरो अथवा कसैबाट केही नराम्रो प्रवृत्तिको कुराहरू सुन्ने बित्तिकै हामी अन्धविश्वासको रूपमा ठ्याक्कै विश्वास गरिहाल्ने. These are not the condition of this nowadays. We are the educated people and we have to believe in our confidence. Without knowing, without evidence or proof, we do not believe, we do not trust to each other. That's because it's all are the conservative beliefs that is available in our own country. In this condition, a large number of people are losing their lives by easily curable common disease too. यसले के भनेको छ भने अफकोर्स यसले भनेको छ हामीले कहिलेकाहीँ कस्तो हुन्छ कन्जर्भेटिभ बिलिफ्सलाई बुझेर त्यसको पछाडि लागेर हाम्रो धेरै आमा बुवाहरूलाई गुमाएको छौँ, धेरै भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई गुमाएको छौँ. These are the condition. It is known as the in this condition a large number of people are losing their lives by easily curable common disease. जुन सानो रोगहरूलाई पनि हामीले निको गर्नको लागि बिलिफ्समा भर पर्छौँ, अन्धविश्वासको कुराहरूमा भर पर्छौँ, त्यही भएर हामीले त्यस्तो मान्छे गुमाउनु परेको हो. Hey, it is written here in this condition a large number of people are losing their lives by easily curable common disease too. The ultimate solution to solve this problem is make the people believe in rationally and remove misconception regarding health. Yes, of course, it is written here. The solution is how to solve the problem. It means the conservative beliefs. It is the problem. How can we solve? Yes, we can solve by our education, by our good thoughts, by our different types of good tips about the health. It is the misconception regarding health. It is it is possible through quality education and health awareness campaign to the communities. If we survive, if we are capable to survive such types of education in our community to the community, then the civilian of our community, they will understood reality and they do not believe 100% in conservative beliefs, the traditional faiths. Moreover, it is necessary to give education about the sanitation, personal hygiene, and other healthy habits for the healthy life. We are healthy. It's because yes, we are healthy. It's because we are taking balanced diet. We are too much caring our personal health. We are totally apply the safety defense from the different types of highly communicable disease like COVID-19. Yes, that is the important discussions, and that is called the conservative beliefs. So let me consider one more time, my dear friend. In conclusion, we can say the conservative beliefs or the superstitions and the ignorance is a type of very important topics that is, yes, that is giving us a good education about the different types of traditional fats, their side effects, their disadvantages, everything. So I would like to request you, my dear friend, for today class, this is too much. And the upcoming class, I will take live and please don't miss. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.